Hello everyone. In this video, I will be discussing about Sasken Technology Placement Pattern, how they will be going to hire us students. One by one, I will be discussing the levels. So, they will conduct one assessment test. It will be around the 3 hour test and a technical interview and then HR interview. Assessment test, it will be 3 hour test. It has a three section, like a 20 MCQ question will be there. Whichever language we will choose now while applying for a job, on that language will be 20 MCQ question will be there, which is around 30 minutes. And then two coding questions will be there. One easy or medium level question. It will around 45 minutes. One hard level question, it will be 60 minutes. We have to complete in 60 minutes hard level question. Third section will be aptitude test. In that aptitude test, there will be numerical ability and data interpretation and abstract reasoning, and then analytical ability and problem solving and verbal ability. It will be around 45 minutes and 30 questions, I think, in that aptitude test. So once uh, once we writing the MCQ test, we have to complete that MCQ section. Then only we will be move to the coding section. And while we writing a one easy or medium level coding question, we have to complete in 45 minutes. After that, we can go to the hard level question, and we have to complete that hard level question in a 60 minute. Then only we can move to the aptitude test. In that aptitude test, there will be 45 minutes and 30 question will be there. In this aptitude test, we can move to the any part, like a numerical ability and data interpretation and abstract reasoning and analytical ability and problem solving and verbal ability. I think numerical ability there will be 10 question, and data interpretation 5 question. 5 question, yeah, exactly 5 questions. And verbal ability 10 question, and left out question will be abstract reasoning and analytical ability and problem solving. I'm not able to clearly uh, remembering how much question will be, but numerical ability will be 10, and verbal ability 10, and data interpretation questions will be 10. No, data interpretation question will be 5 there. And analytical ability, there will be 5 question, yeah, exactly. And coding platform will be on that platform they will conduct a test. So that's it in this video. Thank you guys. Please share and like and subscribe.